One of the great things about Vista is our ability to be nimble, our ability to have insights and turn those into actions very quickly. And not only at Vista, but also at our portfolio companies.
I was an operator in one of our early investments, SRC Software, where I ran business development. And I grew from there to operating in 3 other Vista companies. I fell in love with the way we thought about investing and operating. It's about seeing what's possible and then giving folks the resources they need to be able to take on greater and bigger challenges than they would have had otherwise.
One of the really fortunate aspects of this job is that I'm able to meet hundreds of entrepreneurs every year that are solving problems across a number of different industries. So while we're not selling software day to day, we're helping these entrepreneurs and managers, scale their businesses more effectively through a lot of the best practices that we're able to bring, and to, be that kind of partner to them is really exciting for me.
People think Vista comes in with their own way to do things, when the reality is we're actually great partners with management teams, and we look to work with them on identifying what changes make the most sense for their particular business.
I think it is one of the most special opportunities that we have in the Vista ecosystem to work with great leaders and help them take great companies and turn them into excellent businesses.